Okay.
We are standing right in the town center of Swindon, near the Swindon station, from where all the people have gone on the strike. The national NHS. These people are fighting for their rights. They are being bullied, and all sorts of injustice has been done to them. And along with the union, they are marching now to fight for their rights. So let's go and follow them ahead. Goans are known to be peaceful and gentle people all over the world. Goans have been working in different countries, the Gulf, the Europe, and the USA, and many other countries. Wherever the Goans have gone, they have always maintained their peace and their gentleness. But sometimes the Goans have been exploited in many other countries, and the same situation has just happened here in UK, in Swindon, which is the largest community of the Goans live in Swindon and is practically known as mini Goa. Among these Goans, most of them work in the NHS or the National Health Services under a recruiting agency known as Carrillion. They've been working with them for many years. Yet no one knew what was the problem within. But this time they came out on the streets to fight for their rights. They said that they were bullied, no respect was given to them, and they were maltreated in different ways. Leaves were not proper, so many other problems that took place. Hence, they decided to come out on the street. These are all the Goans gathered here at the Salisbury Street, from where they will be marching out along with their union leaders and their unions. As we reached the spot, we decided to talk to some of the Goans. In fact, all are Goans in this march or the morcha, and hence we decided to talk to some of them. As we spoke to them, here is what we got to learn from them. Hi Jennifer, welcome to NHS Goan car. Maga एकदा तू NHS an काम करता?
NHS but for
Carrillion. आता प्रॉब्लेम कितें जाला तुमचे?
प्रॉब्लेम म्हणजे आमकां ती हॉलिडे वचपा दिनाय. म्हणजे रिक्वेस्ट केले आमी आमचो प्रॉब्लेम सांगताले भुरग्यां लागून फॅमिली आमची आनी सगळी म्हणजे अशें करून सांग तेरी म्हणटाय ना 10 ते 10 दीस तूं रडोन यो ना जाल्यार तूं सोगला पड आमी तुमकां हॉलिडे दिनाय. पयलीं कितें जातालें आमकां 20 days दितालीं पयलीं एक्स सुपरवायझर आसतना. आतां ती आमकां हॉलिडे दिनाय. ती म्हणटा तें बिजनस तो सेम आहा पूण म्हणजे हांव नको ती कित्याक इतली त्रास कोत्ताय ते आमकां हॉलिडे. आमचे क्लिनींग स्टँडर्ड तें कितलो बरो मेळटा सगळें बरें ना बट तरी ती आमकां त्रास कोत्ताय.
आनी काम मारपा तुमकां स्वता येता?
होय स्वता येता.
नो रिस्पेक्ट.
रेस्पेक्टूच दिना.
रिस्पेक्ट एट वर्क. वी वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड.
हय इतली काम करून आमी अशी पोलायट आमी आमचे देसान सोन जाणा मॅनेजरां बी आमी कितको रिस्पेक्ट दिताय ते. पूण हिंगा आमी ती इतलेय करून तेरीच आमी तांकां रिस्पेक्ट दिताय पूण ती म्हणजे आमकां सोजमोनाय.
मागीर आतां तुमी आतां कितें केलां हें स्ट्रायक आतां कितें म्हणून तुमच्या रायटांक झगडून?
आमचे रायटाक आमी स्टूड अप जाले आनी मेन थिंग आमचे हॉलिडेज
वी वांट टू नो द Carrillion
policy आमकां
the main thing we want to know the holidays policy and the Carrillion resign for the manager but we are not happy. We want the manager should get sacked.
Okay. आता हांव म्हणटा की तुमी आतां हें करता आतां सपोज तुमचे तर मागणी करिना आयज तुमी भायर काडला मोर्चा तर तुमी आनी फुडें चालू दवरतली काय? कामाक वचना तुमी सद्या? काम बंद दवरला
पूण स्ट्रायक ना तेन्ना आमी कामाक वयताय पूण स्ट्रायक ना तेन्ना स्ट्रायकाक उजरावताय.
आनी कामाक हें करता तेन्ना तुमी आतां हे सुवातेर घाली जाल्यार कामाक वयतली मागीर? तुमकां दिसता आतां हें सॉल्व जावपाचें आहा म्हणून प्रॉब्लेम?
100%.
And we are going to win 100%.
And we want
we will fight till we win.
We want that first thing.
आमी तर आमचो युनियन चूज केला. हांव नको इतली मेजॉरिटी आसतना कॅरिलियन लागता जोरी तो ती आमकां वर्कर्सांक रिस्पेक्ट दिताय जाल्यार ती आमची युनियनाक कित्याक रिस्पेक्ट दिना
Because this is our chosen union.
वी चूज बिकॉज तेणी आमचे सगळे कायदे सगळे कितें कात आमकां ओपन केलें इतले वर्सां आमकां जी पळय खबर नासली ती आमकां हे GMB युनियना कडच्यान मेवल्या ते प्रमाणे आमकां दिसता हो युनियन आमकां वर्कर्सांक सारको आहा म्हणटा तेजे फुडें तो आमचे वयच वयत वतलो कितेंय आमचें जाय जाल्यार
तुमकां आतां इतलीं वर्सां पळय त्रास जाताले तर तुमी कित्याक फुडें सरोना ह्या पयलीं
फुडें हाडलें
कित्याक दियेताली तुमी जाणा ह्या गांवांत तुमकां फूल फ्रीडम आहा आपलो रायट आहा तो दाखोवपाक हें करूंक
आमी खंयच्या युनियनान जॉयन नासली
पूण युनियन पासून तो आसलो पूण एकल्याचें तें अन्नासलें भितर जमलें आनी मॅनेजर कितें तो आपणाचोच पावर चलयताले मुखारूय वचत जाल्यार तेंच म्हणजे ती दिन आसली ती कितें म्हणटाली मुखारूय गेल्यार तुमकां सेम रिस्पॉन्स मेवतलो सो ते पयलेच तुजें घालताली ना जाल्यार म्हणटाले काम सोड आनी
आतां हें पळय तुमी स्ट्रायक करता तर तुमच्या फॅमिलीचेर कांय परिणाम जायना सद्या तुमकां पयशांचो जेवणा खाणाचे
पयशे फारीक करताय आमचो युनियन
पयशे फारीक करताय एक दीस आमी स्ट्रायक करताय ते प्रमाणे आमकां पयशे फारीक करताय कॅरियन आमकां फारीक करना
आनी आमची जायती गोंयकार सांगताय आमी स्ट्रायक करताय स्ट्रायकार वयताय आमी एक गोंय येयले कामां लागून जरी तर आमकां रिस्पेक्ट ना जाल्यार काम करून कॉल फायदो
इतले हार्ड वर्क करून एक गोल्ड स्टार मेवला सद्दां एवरी इयर फीडबॅक बरो मेवता पूण ती आमचे तो सोजमो नाय आमची डिफिकल्टी जाल्यार कामदारांचो वालोर कितें कंपनी
कोण ब्रायब दिता तांकां 3 वीक हॉलिडे दिताले मॅनेजर कोण दिना तेका दिना
ती पॉलिसी 10 दिसांची हाली जाल्यार ती पॉलिसी सगल्यांकूच आसूंक जाय हाली पूण एवरी इयर एकूच मनशाक हॉलिडे मेळप सारकें न्हू तशेंच मॅटर्निटी लिव्हेर गेलेली ती फोर्सार मारताय 6 म्हयन्यान येयल्यार तुका तोच रिप्लेसमेंट मेळटलो पूण एकले हातूंतले येयला आमचे कामदार ताका 9 म्हयन्यान येयल्यार तोच रिप्लेसमेंट मेळटलो आनी
देव बरें करूं
काय करूं
We also decided to talk to the police officers on duty who were out to maintain peace and order in case things go out of control. So we decided to have a small talk with the police inspector, Mr. Keith Ewart. Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Officers, could you please tell us whether this is the first of its kind among the Goans here?
It's the first time I'm aware that the Goans have marched through Swindon. Obviously, we're aware that the community has come out in support of the workers at the hospital, but this is the first march that I'm aware of, yes.
What do you think about it? How do you feel about this whole situation?
Well, our job really is to try and preserve the peace and to make sure that there's nothing untoward that happens to anyone on the march or as part of that march. So the actual motivation behind the march isn't really our concern. Our job is to maintain the peace today, maintain the peace and make sure there's no offences.
What do you think, officer, the people of Goa, how are they? Do you think they're rough or they're peaceful people?
Well, the Goan community is very peaceful in Swindon. They have a good relationship with the police and we generally don't have any problems. They interact and are very peaceful with us, so we're happy to be here today. We're not anticipating any problems and we're looking forward just to a nice, easy, peaceful march today.
Thank you very much, officer.
Anytime.
We also spoke to another officer, Mike Dippin, who is very popular among the Goans and who loves the Goan community and is always helpful and is in handy around whenever required. His help is required. Hi, Mike.
Hi.
You are the most popular person, a police officer among the Goans here. How do you feel about all this today?
I think it's very sad that everything's got to this stage, to be honest with you, but everyone has their rights and freedom to protest and to march and things, so it's nice to see that the community's settling in and it's really supposed to take its way forward, go for what it believes is right. So,
do you have any sympathy for these people?
As a police officer, I take no sides at the end of the day. I don't know exactly what's taking place and what's gone on, but I feel a level of sympathy that people feel that they've got to come to this level to get justice and what they perceive to be justice and what's right for them.
Goans here say that you are a very helpful person and you've been helping all the Goans all the time whenever you can. Do you feel happy to do that?
More than happy to do that, yes. I thoroughly enjoy it. I have a lot of time for the Goan people and certainly the community in Swindon. I get on very well with all of them. They're very, very nice people.
And what about the community of Goa? What do you think about them? Are they peaceful or?
They are. 99.9% of the Goans that live in Swindon are peaceful. There's a small percentage, as around every community, that get a little bit out of hand and a bit boisterous sometimes and things. But not on the whole, no problems at all with the Goan community in Swindon.
Thank you very much, Mike. Thank you for your few words. And so the Goans are out and all ready and all set to move with the morcha, moving ahead. Here from the Salisbury Street they would be moving on to the Manchester Road, and from there they will be proceeding straight to the town centre square. बाबा तुझे नाव कितें?
तेदोर.
ओके तेदोर एक सांग हे पळय स्ट्रायक जाता ते सगळे गोंयकार आहा हातून तुजो सांगपाचें कितें हांगा हेच्या वयर?
सगळे गोंयकार न्हय. गोंयकारांक हिंगा सपोर्ट करिना. पयलें एक. दुसरें म्हणल्यार कंट्रीन आमकां जायते बरेपण दिलां तरी पूण हांव म्हणटा थोडे तितले रायट आमकां मेळना.
तुजो तेंको आहा ह्या आतां स्ट्रायकाक?
फूल सपोर्ट आहा कित्याक आमची गोंयकार भाव भयण आहा हितून आनी म्हाजी फॅमिली आहा.
तुका दिसता हें आतां तेंचे जीक ताऱ्यार पडटलें अशें?
हय 100% पडटली. तरी पूण सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी सपोर्ट केलो 100%. जाल्यार एक न्हू पूण 2 दिसांनी काबार जातलें आहलें. पूण आयज तें मुखार वयता फकत थोड्याच गोंयकारांक लागून कित्याक हे फूल सपोर्ट करूं नाय.
तुका दिसता गोंयकारांनी सगळे सपोर्ट करचो म्हण ह्या लोकांक?
करचो गोंयकारांचो न्हू पूण इंग्लिशांनी जावं हेर दुसऱ्या नेशनांच्या लोकांनी पासून आमकां सपोर्ट करचो कित्याक हें बुलींग हो जी फेर हॉलिडे सिस्टम कितें ना तेंची ती सगळ्यांक मेवची.
देव बरें करूं. कित्याक लागून आतां स्ट्रायक?
स्ट्रायक सपोर्ट करूंक म्हाज्या बायलेक.
तुजी बायल आहा कामाक न्हू?
तितून आहा.
आनी तुमकां दिसता कितें जातलें म्हूण सारकें? जातलें काय जावचें ना?
नको बाबा सांगोंक नको जातलें जावचें ना. होपिंग दॅट इट वील वर्क.
सो तूं बायलेच्या सपोर्टान आयला हांगा?
या
थँक्यू.
वेलकम.
have the unanimous, absolute, unreserved support of all of those people and indeed of the whole of your union. Your fight for fairness at work, your fight for dignity and respect, and for an end to the corruption and the corrupt practices of bullying Carrillion managers at Great Western Hospital has become an inspiration to people, not just in Swindon, but as Carol said, right around the country. And really, you're becoming a shining light to working people all over Britain as to what can be done if people stand together and stand up against bullies and people like that. And you're standing here now a few weeks on, and your name is becoming known, not just in Swindon, not just in Wiltshire, but up and down the length of the UK. Victory to the Carrillion strikers.
Thank you, Justin. Thank you for coming today, and thank you for speaking to everybody here. The next person who wants to say a few words is a colleague from our local Whitehorse Wiltshire Trades Union Council. He's a member of the NHS, and just to show that we have support from all sorts of unions here today, so I'd like to introduce you to Pete Baldry.
NASUWT Wiltshire Federation. Comrades and fraternal members of the trade union and the labour movement, I didn't think I'd be standing here today talking about bullying in the 21st century. And as a history teacher, what disturbs me most of all is I spend my time teaching about the trade union struggles of the past, along with all sorts of other things as well, of course. But what I find absolutely...
She's been totally behind us throughout this campaign, has been a great supporter of ours. I'd like to introduce you the future Labour MP for Swindon South and Snellgrove.
Thank you. Okay, well, it's great to be here again. Well done, you. I was proud to come and speak to you at your last rally, and I'm proud to march beside you today and to stand here and talk to you. I am ashamed, though, that this dispute has reached this point. It should have been over weeks, months ago. But your resolve will mean that it will be settled in your favour. A message to Carrillion and get your rights at work sorted. Thank you.
Yeah, I feel to say today, comrades, I see the red colour and it reflects to my past experience and seem to say you all are comrades, dear comrades. And it's a really battle we have shown to the Carrillion that we are not your staff itself, that is 152 member of the GMB, but which I still there is a chance for the management of Carrillion. Come out for the constructive dialogue. Come out for a constructive dialogue. And we are ready to come at any moment. Now we can sit with the management of Carrillion for the peaceful and constructive dialogue, not destructive. Whereas they are destructive. They are on the health and safety, they are against this law of health and safety. They make out these banners behind me. Whoever supported us, I thank on behalf of 152 members of JB from hospital. And I thank for each and every one who socially...
We have to defend that right. After I'd spoken at the TUC Women's Conference, my sisters...
You say that we want respect at work, and we will win respect at work from Carrillion, but you've already earned the respect of yourselves, you've got more self-respect, and you've got the respect of the GMB. Every single one of the 600,000 people in the GMB is 100% behind you. You've earned the respect of the whole trade union movement, because when you say we will win, we're already winning. Where does Chris Woods work? Does she work at the Great Western Hospital?